Express yourself. Exploring quantity and degree with adjectives. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're going to delve into the world of adjectives, specifically focusing on their crucial role in expressing quantity or degree. By the end of this video, you'll have a much deeper understanding of how to use adjectives in English to describe the amount or level of something in your speech and writing. Firstly, let's have a quick recap. An adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. It gives us more information about people, places, things, and ideas. Examples include words like happy, blue, 5, and delicious. Now, let's look at adjectives that express quantity. These adjectives tell us how much, or how many, of something there is. They include words such as some, any, few, many, much, and all. For instance, in the sentence, she has many friends, the word many is an adjective expressing quantity. It tells us the large number of friends she has. Next, we have adjectives expressing degree. These adjectives tell us how much, in terms of intensity or level, rather than quantity. Examples include words like very, extremely, quite, and somewhat. Consider the sentence, the water is very cold. Here, the word very is an adjective expressing degree. It tells us the high level of coldness in the water. While both categories of adjectives may seem similar, it's important to remember that adjectives of quantity focus on how many, while adjectives of degree focus on how much, in terms of intensity or level. For instance, she has many quantity issues versus she is very degree tired. And that's it for this video. I hope it has helped you to understand the different functions of adjectives, particularly in expressing quantity and degree. Remember, mastering the use of adjectives will allow you to express yourself more precisely and colorfully in English. So, keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!